Slow down, Mario. Your body is still recovering.
So Seiya no longer has control over me?
As soon as you're healed up, you need to head north to the Mushroom Kingdom ruins.
My friends are looking for me.
Mario, you don't have enough time.
I need to at least let them know.
In a few minutes, your wounds will heal up, and then Seiya will be certain to try to regain her hold on you. You only endanger your friends by being around them.
My friends would much rather know if I'm doing okay, rather than them having to worry. Can you at least understand that?
If the option was there, I wouldn't mind. But if you go to your friends now, you only lead Seiya to them, and they will all die. But if you listen to me, you could end Seiya's reign over this world, and end her destruction. It's your choice.
Mamma mia.